Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now we are going to discuss about the last concept of the information retrieval systems from the fifth unit is information system evaluation. So what is the importance of information system evaluation? What are the situations to lead the information system evaluation? All these things now we are going to see here. Actually, the evaluation techniques for the information retrieval systems, such as sorting, indexing, searching, and accessing the information, are becoming more important in nowadays. Not only accessing the information or extracting the information, but also we are mainly focusing upon the other things like see here the various kinds of the other things like indexing and as well as sorting and next searching and finally the retrieving. So these are becoming nowadays very important and very popular. So why these have become very important and very popular nowadays? Okay, because the retrieval systems are increasing nowadays. There are more number of the retrieval systems or retrieval servers are increasing nowadays, and we are focusing on additional evaluation methods for retrieving the information, and there is an increasing number of the users who are intended to increase the extracting the information from the information retrieval systems. In this regard, they are using various number of the servers to access the information and all these things. Okay, so the main reasons to evaluate the effectiveness of the information retrieval systems is: number one, to aid in the selection of a system to procedure. Okay, we have to aid the selection, whatever whatever system or whatever procedure from particular system, or for procedure to a particular system or a system to a particular procedure, we have to select whatever it is, and to monitor to and evaluate the system effectiveness. Okay, to evaluate the query generation process and improvement. Here the second case, to monitor the evaluate system effectiveness, we have to monitor the information system and its effectiveness, and finally how a query is going to be handled and how the information is processed in the query, how the output is given from the query. All these things we have to see. So these factors are used to affect the evaluation of the information retrieval systems. Okay, and the next one we are going to consider is, see, to determine the effects and changes made to an existing system. What are the things to be considered? The things to be considered to determine the effects and changes made to the existing system are subjective, situational, cognitive, temporal, and measurable. Number one, we are at the subjective. So what is the meaning of the subjective? See here, subjective is always depends upon the user's judgment. Whatever information required by the user, what kind of the information he is intended to get, all these things depends upon the subjective. And next one is situational. According to the situation, current situation, what kind of the information is needed by the user. So what is the most important information? What is the most required information from the user that can be taken by the situational. And third one is cognitive. So cognitive means what? Basing on the human perception and human behavior, what kind of the information, basing on the human thoughts also, it affects the thoughts also. So what kind of the information is needed by the user is comes under the cognitive. And the next one is temporal, that means changes over time. At particular time what kind of the information is needed, and another particular point of time what kind of the information is needed, that kind of the need is called as a temporal. So it is also one of the point that affect the evaluation of the existing system. Okay, and next one is measurable. So measurable means what kind of the points of the particular time, what kind of the information is needed by the user. Okay, those can be measurable. So at this particular time this information is needed, at that particular time that information is needed. All these things are clearly measurable. So these are the things that changes these are the things that affects the information system evaluation, like subjective requirements of the user, situational requirements, cognitive requirements, temporal changes, and measurable changes, and all these things. So like this the information evaluation will plays an important role in the information system evaluation. So this is these are the factors that that evaluate the effectiveness of the information retrieval system, and these are the points that affects the um, information system evaluation. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Okay, so in the next coming video we are going to discuss about the another thing regarding the information system evaluation. Thank you for watching.